Hi everyone, it's finally time for another Project Pan update, 2026 edition. Hey, it's been a while. Let's see if I remember how to do this. It is April-ish, and I haven't done a Project Pan update since the beginning of February. Part of that was because there was no progress, part of that was because a lot of things happened, but I haven't even been in front of the camera to record in a bit, but here I am. I'm still here. I'm back. For those of you who don't know, Project Pan is a fun little challenge makeup lovers like to do where we use up a product either all the way or until we hit the metal pan that creams and powders are often pressed tightly down into. So I'm participating, and the products I chose were a blush palette and an eyeshadow palette. Let's go ahead and start with the blush palette, okay? It's one of my most popular videos on YouTube is a Revolution blush palette called Sugar and Spice, and I decided to try and pan 4 of these shades this year. I've been using this consistently. Let's take a look. Sorry about the glare though. Do you see what I see? A little sliver right there. I hit my first pan in this palette. Now, I have had this since 2021, and I have used it kind of a lot. Not so much the highlighters, especially the pink one, but the blushes are kind of some of my go-to blushes. So it was satisfying to hit that pan. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't hit it that long ago. It took about 2 months, really 3 months of use before we hit it, plus everything that I'd used it for previously. Some of the others you're starting to be able to see the like round shape. I don't know if that's coming across on the camera, but you can kind of start to see the shape of the pan underneath that it's pressed into. So I'm pretty confident we're gonna be able to hit 4 of these pans. Yeah, so progress here. Next, the eyeshadow palette. I have never seen it anywhere for sale except a dollar store where I happened to get it. It's by LA Colors, which is a very affordable brand. And it's a little vertical palette. I just think that's so cute. It's 18 shades. My goal is to hit all 18. Little worried about that, but let me show you what I've got so far. Oh, that's very bright, but do you see? There's one pan up here. And also, I just hit that.
That's what she said.
So I really like this white, and when I hit the pan, some of it kind of like flaked out of here. So like I was kind of hesitant to use it a little bit because I really do like the colors in here, and I got them for $1. Like, some of them are duds, but some of them are amazing. Like, this shimmery white is amazing. This matte white, not so much. I've been setting my lids with the neutral here, even the orange, because it's not that pigmented. I really like this pink up here, this peach over here. The silver and gold are really good in this. I find that LA Colors is kind of hit or miss. If you see markings on the front, it's because I was trying to use every shade, which I have now done, but some of them have hearts on them. Those are the colors that I really, really like. Anyway, so just jumping on for a quick update about these 2 products. It is still ongoing. I'm still here, but it's just going slower, and not gonna lie, I'm worried about the eyeshadow. The black is decent for liner, but I don't do liner a whole lot these days. This middle dark one is good for brows, and I don't know what I'm going to use that other one for. I thought these pans would hit rather quickly because they're small. It's actually hard to find a brush that will pick up enough pigment, but I'm going to keep going with this. So thanks for popping in for this little update. I hope you're doing well. Let me know how your project pan is going this year if you're doing one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Wow, is my camera that dirty? Hold on. I have giraffes on my shirt and giraffes in my earrings, and my giraffe just fell down. So I've been doing a lot of lives. Nobody cares. That was spectacular drama right there. Oh my gosh, this is supposed to be a short video, but I already have issues. Okay. Am I even centered? Oh my god. Okay, so